talking about how you prank everyone, so we're gonna prank you since we're gonna stay up all night. We didn't do anything to you.
Okay, so let's go for a water and burger. Aaron, come on.
I
Go
thought
and Call of Duty.
that.
Yeah, no, come on, let's go.
But we don't have that one.
Okay, let's go faster.
Oh no, you didn't.
Oh yeah, I did.
Guys, this.
No, you start running. Dude, daylight outside.
I didn't even like lock the door.
Dude, your house is like non-lockable. Like if we lock the door.
Crap, this is gonna suck for you.
Wait, I don't want to shoot first.
It was all Greg's idea. Just saying, it was all his. This.
Yeah, don't worry, he won't get mad at you guys.
Yeah, but we were talking about water.
It's. Would you rather give him burning hot water?
I don't know.
Cold water is good. Come on, let's go. He's so knocked out he won't get up.
Yeah, he wakes up pretty good.
Come on, Aaron. Just open it. Be very, very quiet and pour it. You should do it, Aaron. You peed your leg, Parker.
So you've been sleeping for like 4 hours.
Yeah. Oh.
What are you guys doing?
We farted on him. Now he's using the bathroom. Okay. Well, that's all.
Dude, we've been here. We were sleeping here. Like, look. You can tell that we've been here. We ate some chips. We tried to turn this on, but it wouldn't work. We put pop in here. We
It's very
drank some of
bright.
this. And now we're coffee. You can see that we get the coffee. But then we were trying filters everywhere, and there's we put everything back to normal. Yeah, and we cleaned the dishes things back.
still recording.
I know. We're showing you how good we do. No, wait. Here's the 8 ball. You know the whole time. Okay, wait. What should we do? What should we say? Is Parker straight?
Yes.
Yes. It says. Is he
yes.
gonna have a boyfriend?
It is certain.
I guess Parker's straight. Am I gonna eat that bag of chips? Well, it's wrong. God, no. You don't do that. Am I gonna eat the bag? No. Oh, and we use this microwave.
Bye guys, we're going now. That's all for this episode. Next time, episode 6. Bye.
Episode 6.